Elite 85T earbuds are worth the investment for users who prioritize sound quality and comfort. Overall, the Jabra Elite 85T earbuds are a top contender in the wireless earbud market and are definitely worth considering for anyone in the market for a high-end pair of earbuds. The Jabra Elite 85T are truly wireless headphones with noise cancellation. They provide good sound quality, effective noise cancellation, and solid call performance in compact and comfortable design. The Elite 85T features 6mm speakers that deliver powerful bass and crisp highs. The sound signature leans slightly bass-heavy but overall offers a fairly well-balanced listen across genres. The soundstage is fairly wide for a pair of wireless earbuds and helps with spatial positioning of instruments and vocals. For noise cancellation, the Elite 85T use 6 mics and advanced algorithms to reduce ambient sound by up to 35 dB. They offer an adjustable level of noise cancellation from the Jabra Sound Plus app, including a full off mode to let ambient sound through for awareness. Call performance is also good with optimized mics and wind protection. The earbud design of the Elite 85T is small, rounded, and ergonomic. They have a triangular shape that more securely fits in the ear. The build quality feels quite good with a metal frame and plastic outer shell. There is an IPX4 water resistance rating, which means they can withstand light splashes and sweat. An adjustable ear fin and rubber ear tips provide a comfortable and secure fit. Battery life is rated at up to 7 hours with noise cancelling on and around 31 hours total with the charging case. The case charges via USB-C and also supports wireless charging. The ANC active noise cancellation on the Elite 85T works quite well at masking out many lower frequency sounds like traffic, fan noise, and chatter. However, it does less well with higher frequency noises like sirens or certain sharp sounds. The adjustable levels in the app give you some customization for how much ambient sound you want to block. The built-in mics do a good job during calls by effectively blocking out background noise and wind when speaking. Caller said my voice sounded very clear. Another highlight of the Elite 85T is their intuitive touch controls. Each earbud has a touch capacitive surface that responds to finger taps and swipes. You can customize what actions a single, double or triple tap performs, as well as a hold touch for playback controls. Having full gesture support on each earbud provides plenty of freedom for how you want to control the headphones. The included carrying case is compact for portability and also functions as a wireless charger. On the downside, the Jabra Elite 85T can be a bit fiddly to get the right fit for a secure seal. You really have to experiment with the ear tips and fin position to get the sound isolation and snug feel you want. Once properly fitted, they stayed in my ears well during activity. The touch controls also have a steep learning curve and aren't the most natural feeling to use. And while sound quality is decent, it's not at the top of category.